So when greasing the steering cable, you run it all the way out. And we want to get as much grease as we possibly can onto this cable and inside this tube. I'll show you a really nice little trick that my dad showed me a lot of years ago of how to pack some grease into the actual inner of the cable, which is where it needs to get to. So we've got a good few cc's of grease there. We allow it to go back. See if I can get any little bit more in. Really daub it on. Okay. So you can imagine that tube is full of grease now. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the steering ram back in, and that in turn will shove a load of grease down here. So it's easy up to there, and now it's gone stiff. Oh, as we are packing the grease into where it needs to go. Oosh. So that's just prolonged the length of that steering cable by about 5 years compared to if you didn't do it. Ah, look, you can see all the grease has started to come through here. Oh, that is so nice. And listen to it. Oh, yeah. Oh, so good. So we don't need to put any grease in there. Really nice.